Okay, so welcome to our weekly analysis. We are going live, and just remaining 2 minutes. In the next 2 minutes, we'll be going live. All right, so if this is your first time of joining us, you can just subscribe to our channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. Okay, so in the next 1 minute, we'll be going through the chart to show you how the market performed last week, what we're expecting in the global financial market this week. So we're going to look at so many pairs. We always like to start with SAU USD, which is gold. So it's almost 1 o'clock. We informed you earlier that we are going live. If you watch our last week video, we told you that on Monday, which is today is last Monday of the month, that we're going live, and subsequent months, every last Monday of the month we'll go live. And also we'll be going live for NFP, that is first Friday of every month, and then also we go live with CPI as well. CPI news, we're going live. So we have a lot package for you. Not just only going live, we'll be trading live session, more especially for NFP and CPI, we'll be trading live session. But today, as we go live together, if we see any opportunity that we're going to take, we'll not hesitate to do that. So we'll be coming back to, it's already 1 o'clock. So we'll be starting with XAU USD, which is gold. Alright, so we're going to be showing you what we're expecting, what happened, and then also what we are expecting to happen when it comes to gold. So XAU USD is good. So I have to show you my system. I believe that you guys are seeing it very clearly. For those of you that are joining us online. All right, so XAU USD, which is good. So gold has been crazy. Honestly, gold has been very crazy for past months. Gold has been moving one direction. Last week we told you that we're expecting gold to retrace after hitting 3,000. Eventually gold broke 3,000, and if you watch our previous video as well, you will see where we give you analysis that once gold break 3,000 and 3,000 area is conquered, that we'll be seeing 3,050, and then we'll be seeing 3,100. That was what we told you if you watch our previous video. But eventually today, that actually happened. Even though we will stop buying gold, we are looking for opportunity to sell gold. Last week we sold gold, and for 3 times or 4 times to send the signal. If you go to our Telegram channel, Dubiss Forex Academy, let's just show you Dubiss Forex Academy. If you go there, you will see our results for last week. You see how many times you sold gold. 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and we made some good profits. But none of it hit TP5. All right, so you can see it's Dubiss Forex Academy. If you are not following us on Telegram, please do that. Dubiss Forex Academy on Telegram, you can see it. So join us, Dubiss Forex Academy. This is our free channel. We also have paid group. This is our paid group, and you can see trades that we are on. After we show you, we so good today, and he hit our TP, almost TP3 before it reversed. So we made like between 100 and 150 pips today already for gold. But for now, we have decided to stay out of gold for now to watch. So these are last week. You can see last week results. These are last week results for gold. And if we check, you will see when we send those trades. Look at it when we send the trades, and when it hit TP, when we send to sell gold. So now let's go back to this week as to what we're expecting. For me, for gold this week, because gold have hit all-time high, it has hit gold have hit 3,120, almost 127. That's what gold, 120 something. That is the highest gold have touched today. Let's go to lower time frame and get it correctly. All right. So this is the high that gold made. Look at it. Gold made 3,127. This is amazing. This is the highest gold have made, and gold has been just hitting all-time high. So today gold hit another all-time high. Today is 31st of March 2025. So gold hit 3,127. This is awesome. So for now, we have to stay out of gold for now. For those of you that's asking me, when do I start selling gold? When do I start selling gold? Guys, right now, we need to wait to see a confirmation, probably on daily time frame or H4. So when we see a rejection and retested, that's when you can start selling gold. For now, we have to stay out of gold for sale. But right now, is it right for you to buy from this price? For me, this price is so high right now for you to buy at this price, because gold can fall anytime. So we need to wait for price action to give us a good retracement. I mean, a rejection candle. So we need to wait to see a rejection candle for us to start selling gold. So at the moment, I have to stay out. Though I've made 100 to 150 pips today from selling gold, but right now we need to watch first before we can trade again for gold. So we stay out of gold for now until gold give us a rejection, a proper rejection for us to continue to sell gold. All right, so let's go to GBP USD. GBP USD. For those of you that have been following us on our weekly analysis, we have been giving you the direction of the market. But today, because we are trading live, I have Mr. Chika James with me right now. You can see Chika James is here. Yeah. So, and he is actually prepared, all right, very prepared to give us his own, all right, his own analysis. He's very prepared. Yeah, the ring light can stay there. So he's already very prepared. He's going to give us some other blocks we have identified. For some other pairs. When the time comes, I will give him, and he will give you some other blocks, fair value gap. And we're talking about smart money concept. So, but for now, let's look at GBP/USD. Last time we told you that GBP/USD have hit our liquidity zone, and we told you that from this liquidity zone, we should be selling GBP/USD. And I can tell you for sure, we made some good profit last week from our liquidity zone. You can see how many pips. This is over 100 and something pips that GBP/USD gave us from our liquidity zone. Now the question is, this week, what are we going to do? From the analysis which Chika is going to give us in a jiffy, we are seeing that dollar index most likely may be going down. And if dollar index is going to be going down, then GBP/USD may break this liquidity zone. So at the moment, if you are still in the trade, what you need to do is just to move your stop loss to your entry point and wait and see if GBP/USD will continue to go down. Otherwise, if this place is broken, this particular place is broken, then we could see something like this, price breaking here, retesting, and then we see price continue to move up for GBP. Once here is broken, then we see price break, retest, and then price go up. So this is a second scenario for GBP/USD. All right, but as far as price is below this liquidity zone, then we could see price retest here, and then once here is holding, then we could see price go down more. All right. So as far as this place is holding, price will still go down. So we are waiting to see what will happen around this zone. But congratulations to those that took the trade last week from this liquidity zone. So if you did not take the trade, you need to wait and see if this place is going to hold properly, and then you enter for a sell. But if it's broken and retested, then we'll take a buy. So for now, we have not sent the trade on our pay group because we need to watch and see what is going to happen at that zone. But for Euro USD played out very well as analyzed last week. Last week we told you that you see the trend line we identified, and you see also that price respected this liquidity zone, and we told you that we'll be selling Euro USD, and we sold Euro USD. At the moment, we could see price retesting here, all right? So if price retests here, we could jump in again for sell, all right? Maybe to give us the W shape. Otherwise, if this place is broken and then the next high is here, all right? That is for Euro USD. At the moment, there's no entry point for selling Euro USD at the moment. Yes, we are live. Someone is asking if we are live. Yes, we are live. Let me drop it for the group for you to know that we are live. Yes, we are live right now. Yes, we are live. We are live on YouTube right now. So we are live on YouTube right now. Okay, so we are live on YouTube right now. So let's go. Euro GBP. Euro GBP is one pair that really played out as analyzed last week, and Chika is going to give us other block that he has identified on Euro GBP. But for now, we told you that once price hits our liquidity zone, which is here, that we are to buy, and already from sell we sold. From sell give us 100 and something pips, and from this point we say we should buy from here. This is where we say we should buy. Let's see how many pips. This is already 30 something pips for a buy for GBP Euro GBP rather, Euro GBP. So we already on a buy. So I don't know. I think yes, Chika will give us the zones based on smart money concepts. All right, for the Euro GBP, because price may come back to retest this zone again as it hits here, it bounce off. You know, based on smart money concept, price could come back to mitigate this zone before price will start to rise. That is for Euro GBP. So if you miss the entry point, hold on for price to come back to the other block for you to buy Euro GBP. Then for NZD USD, you can see I told us that I'm going to leave the analysis the way we analyze, and I'm going to leave it till this week as I did last week. Look at our last week. I drew this line last week and I told you that price is going to go down. If you have not watched our video last week, please go and do that. Watch our video last week. I told you that we are going to be selling NZD USD, and you can see that from our zone, liquidity zone, price have moved 129 pips. NZD USD actually played that well as analyzed. So congratulations to those that took NZD USD. So based on our analysis last week, and price is still going, and that place, though there is a block here, there is a small block, other block there, right? But I'm seeing it being broken. So this place will be taken out. Most likely this place, let me highlight it for you to see. This small structure here, block here, will be taken out because the momentum is high. So price may come down to this liquidity zone. So price may take this out and then come down to this liquidity zone. So at the moment now, there is no entry. If you miss the entry point, you need to hold on. So you can't take a sell right now for NZD USD because it's already moved over 100 pips. So USD card, guys, you see last week I draw this. In fact, last 2 weeks I draw this that price will rise, and I told you last week that if price come back to this zone, that we have to still buy again, and price is back to this zone. So let's take this further. So price is back to this zone. So what we are going to expect is now price to move at least up to this zone to give us to get back to this liquidity zone that is already highlighted. So why we give you all this zone is that so that once you see price coming to the zone for a sell or for a buy, you take action, because price hits this zone last week. And when we make the video, if you check today, let me open it more for you to see. Okay, so let's broaden it for you to see very well. Okay, I believe you're seeing it clearly. Let me still open it more for you to see clearly. So now look at it. This is Monday, this is Friday, this is Thursday last week, this is Wednesday, this is Tuesday, this is Monday, and this is exactly where we are on Monday. And I told you that as at that Monday, if price come back to this zone that we have to buy, and this is Monday, Tuesday, price eventually reach there, Wednesday, so Thursday, Friday, and then this is Monday again, and you can see how far price have moved. Let's measure and see how many pips from this zone. This is over 90 pips already movement. So our analysis is spot on, guys. All you need to do is to follow us on our weekly analysis and watch our videos, and then what you need to do, go to your chart and then highlight all those zones, highlight the price, and then